In a kind of embarrassment to the ruling DMK in Tamil Nadu, the Madras High Court has directed sitting Rural Development Minister I Periyasamy to face trial in the corruption case against him over allotment of a land to the former personal security officer of the late Chief Minister Karunanidhi in the year 2008. The case pertains to his term as Housing Minister under Mr. Karunanidhi, when he had assigned a housing plot to his personal security officer, Karunanidhi's personal security officer, which the AIADMK government, which captured power after the DMK, had claimed that it was illegal and had filed a corruption case. In 2016, when the minister had moved the special court, which went all the way up to the Supreme Court, both these courts had turned down his plea for discharging him from the case. He had argued that the AIADMK government then had not obtained the consent of the governor, the mandatory consent from the governor to proceed against a former minister, but they had obtained permission only from the Assembly Speaker, Mr. Dhanapal then. However, in 2023, after the present DMK regime captured power, he had moved the special court citing the same ground, but this time the court had agreed to his claim and discharged him from those corruption allegations. Interestingly, it was at this point in time last year the Madras High Court had on its own taken up this case against this particular discharge order, and Justice Anand Venkatesh took up this issue, and he today ruled that the minister ought to face trial. He has also directed the special court to have daily hearings and directed the minister to appear personally before the 28th of March to pay a 1 lakh rupee deposit, security deposit, and the court has been ordered to have daily hearings and to ensure that the hearing would be completed by the July month of this year. Coming before the Lok Sabha elections, it's certainly an embarrassment for the ruling DMK in the state, but the DMK claims there was no illegality over the allotment of this particular site to a police officer at that point in time, and they say the minister would deal with this case or fight this case legally. They believe this will not affect the party's prospects in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, for NDTV.